I'm Sarah with Reed Muskegon, and I'm the Family Literacy Coordinator. And this is my daughter, Ellie. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Today we are taking week 1 of our 2021 cooking class. What we're making today is our pita bread pizzas. And the ingredients are pita bread, cheese, marinara or pizza sauce, whichever one you want, or even spaghetti sauce works great. And then any sort of veggies that you want on, or you can add pepperoni, sausage, any other pizza toppings you like. If you like mushrooms, go for it. Pineapple. But these are just the ones that we know that we will like. So the first step, sure, you can have some cheese.
Awesome.
If you're new to the cooking class, you don't know that my daughter has a slight obsession with cheese. If you're not new, she's doing it again. All right, so first up, we are going to cut the veggies. Ellie, did you want the orange pepper or the red pepper? Orange pepper? Okay. Can you help? How about I cut the seed off? Or here, I'll do it with you. Ready? Good job. And then we want to do this. So there's no seeds, okay? I'm going to cut down. Ellie, what color is this pepper?
Orange.
Good job. Do you want it in slices or do you want it in small pieces on your pizza?
In small pieces.
So pepper and pieces both start with the P sound. Do you remember who says the P sound?
Pee-wee penguin.
Pee-wee penguin, good job. Can you do the movement with me? Yeah. Good job. You're going to hyperventilate there. All right, you want to help me cut them into small pieces? Okay. Do you want to try without Mama? Okay, go for it. All right, and then we are going to do tomatoes. I'm going to grab some of the bigger ones, so this isn't as... All right, do you want Mama to do it?
I can do it.
Okay, can I do it with you? Okay. Or else we're going to be here all day. Good job. And that is probably enough. Do you want to eat a piece, Pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. All right, I'm going to try to cut a tomato and see how messy it is before I let you join me. That's not bad. All right, do you want them in quarters? Okay.
I want to do myself.
Can I help you now?
Hard.
It is pretty hard. Do you know why? This is a child-safe knife, and so you can't cut yourself with it. It just takes a little longer to cut everything else. You're gonna test it. Okay, can you cut this one, please? Good job, big girl. All right. Let's do one more. Ellie, Timothy Tiger says what sound? T, t, t. Do you remember his movement?
He goes.
Good job. All right. Keep going. All right. What word are we playing with right now that starts with the T sound?
Tomato.
Good job, Ellie. All right, so first things first. Do you want spinach on your pizza? No, didn't think so. All right, so first things first, you are going to carefully put 2 spoonfuls on that.
Okay.
You ready? 1. You know what? We can probably even do 3 spoonfuls. You want lots of sauce or a little sauce?
A little bit sauce.
A little bit of sauce? Okay. Do you want to spread it around so it gets on all parts of it? All right. Good job. Let's put a little bit more on. All right, next step is cheese. So can you put some cheese all over it? So Ellie, cheese starts with the letter C, and C normally says a K sound. Who says K?
Cat.
Katina Cat, huh? Can you do the K sound with me? K, K, K. Remember, because she's cleaning her face. Remember? K. Good job. All right. Now, do you want to throw your peppers and your tomatoes on there? And we are going to cook this at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your pizza.
Just a little bit more.
Just a little bit more, yeah. You're gonna have one yummy bite. Do you want to put the tomatoes on? Just.
I can know.
Oh, you want help? Ellie, who says the sound like help?
You're a horse.
Honey horse. Do you want to do the honey horse sound with me? Good job. All right, we are going to say goodbye. Who says the g sound? Like goodbye.
Gordo.
Who?
Gordo.
Gordo gorilla. Do you want to do it with me? G, 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 g. Like we're peeling a banana because gorillas like bananas. All right, do you want to say bye and say we'll see you next week?
Bye. We'll see you next week.
Good job.